First, what is hackathon? Hackathon is a word that combines hack with marathon. Originally, it means a group of programmers come together to work out a program, or sometimes they develop an app. But nowadays, it is more widely used. Participants come from not only from technological background, but also from other backgrounds like business or sometimes public speaking. Despite the diversity of the background nowadays, the basic idea behind hackathon is still the same. It means a lot of people come together and divided into several groups, people working with other who they have just met, and they work out something out of scratch. The event always lasts for 24 to 48 hours, during which a lot of junk food is consumed, and participants rarely sleep. At the end of the event, they will give a brief demonstration of their product and compete for the prize. The hackathon is a really useful and interesting event because it can not only inspire people's creativity and innovation, but it can also enhance people's ability to communicate with people they have just met and collaborate with people from other backgrounds. There are criticisms that because of the time limit, the code people write are really very poor, and there are also criticism about the unhealthy sleeping and eating habits. As for the blog, the author first describes the smashing success of PenApp's hackathon. There are a lot of interesting and innovative products like remote-controlled BattleBots, automatic Wi-Fi authentication for Facebook friends, and apps that message you if you forget to put required items in your backpack. Then the author points out that nowadays most hackathon projects turn out to be boring. He argues that too many hackathons today are focusing on successful story, which means they focus on hackathon projects turned into successful startup, and nowadays hackathons are really very business oriented, which means the winners projects are always very profitable but not very innovative. Because of the time limit, the winners project, which focus on the potential profit, always a simple variation of some existing projects. So it lacks the innovation, and it lacks the long-lasting influence. The author continued to argue that developers come to hackathons not for the profit, but for the mental stimulation, and therefore he concluded that what hackathons should focus on is not the potential success or profit of the certain project, but the innovation and creativity behind the project. That's exactly what PenApp focuses on, and that's why it is so successful. And this focus on creativity, not on business, should be the fundamentals behind the successful hackathon. The technology I find is called GitHub, whatever. So GitHub is basically a code host, and it's home to over 12 million repositories. GitHub provides social networking functionalities such as feedbacks, followers, wikis, and social network graph. The user of this technology must first create a profile, and it allows individuals to make live conversation and chat with their co-workers to discuss, manage, or review changes to code. GitHub, basically, it is mostly used for code, but it can also be used for non-code types of files like Word documents or Final Cut. Another feature of this technology is that it allows sharing. People can share code with their co-workers, friends, or even strangers, and the users can revise projects, edit other people's work, and even interact with other members. So applying GitHub in hackathon it can save a lot of time because every team member can revise and edit code on the same platform. And when they meet a problem, they can make direct communication on GitHub and find a solution. So the basic idea is that GitHub can save a lot of time in hackathon and increase the efficiency.